Welcome to Star Academy, Baltimore's new STEM and technology training center based in Timonium. In working with area schools to offer after-school robotics programs, we saw a need for a larger resource. Parents were wondering what to do with their kids who were interested in STEM and technology. If your 10 or 16-year-old son or daughter comes home and wants to play soccer or lacrosse, you have no problem. But what should you do if they want to build robots? Or design a video game? And what if you want to try 3D printing or learn to code? Star Academy stands for Science, Technology, Art, and Robotics. Our programs and activities at the large indoor facility offer drones, robotics, 3D printing, and game development programs that inspire imagination and develop skills and experience that can lead to scholarships and even job offers. The training center is more than 16,000 square feet with training labs and practice space for each activity. Memberships, courses, camps, and activities are available every week to inspire hope and imagination, developing skills and experience for the careers of tomorrow. We have over 4,000 square feet of robotics with activities and training in 3 or 4 different platforms. Our drone cage makes up a large portion of the space. It includes a course with illuminated gates, tight turns, and safety netting to protect our spectators. It's a perfect training ground for those who have never flown before, all the way on to professional pilots. Our drone club offers activity every weekend, and we even have drone racing occasionally on Friday nights here from 6 to 9 p.m. We offer classes, courses, training for small groups, or even personal training, so you can go from beginner to advanced. You can focus on a single activity or participate in as many as you'd like. We also host birthday parties and corporate outing. Check out our website at staracademy.com for more information. Thanks for watching.